Hello everyone, this is David from DIY Gains. This is a GE refrigerator. It started making a loud humming noise. So I took off the back panel to see what it looks like on the inside. And as you can see, there's a lot of dust buildup. So what I'm going to try to do is go ahead, clean everything off, and hopefully that will solve the problem. There you go, now you can see it a little better. Anyway, oh, thank you, Maylee. My daughter just turned the light on. So hopefully once I clean this off, it will get rid of that loud humming noise. How loud was it, Maylee?
Really loud.
Alright, well, let's clean it off and see what happens. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Like I said, this is a GE refrigerator, and let's see what happens.